Join me as I explore the weirdest mosque in Turkey and see if I can handle all the mind-blowing surprises it has to offer. Deep in the heart of Turkey lies a mosque like no other, the Sahkulu Sultan Mosque in Istanbul. This architectural marvel is nestled in the bustling streets of the Eyüp district, a borough steeped in history and spiritual significance. When we think of traditional mosques, we often conjure up images of grand domes, intricate calligraphy, and solemn atmospheres. However, many people mistakenly believe that mosques are solely places of worship, devoid of artistry or creativity. Others may think that mosques are only accessible to Muslims, or that their beauty is limited to their exterior facades. These misconceptions couldn't be further from the truth, especially when it comes to the Sahkulu Sultan Mosque. The truth is, many mosques are architectural wonders that showcase the rich cultural heritage of Islamic civilization. They can be vibrant, eclectic, and full of hidden surprises. The Sahkulu Sultan Mosque is no exception, boasting a history that spans over 5 centuries and a design that defies conventional mosque architecture. From the outside, the Sahkulu Sultan Mosque appears like a typical Ottoman-era mosque, but don't let its modest exterior fool you. As we delve deeper, you'll discover a mesmerizing blend of Byzantine, Ottoman, and Baroque styles that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about mosque design. The Sahkulu Sultan Mosque is a symphony of contradictions, a place where ancient traditions meet modern innovations, where Islamic calligraphy intertwines with pagan motifs, and where the sacred and the profane coexist in harmony. The mosque's history is as complex as its architecture, with a past marked by wars, conquests, and reconstructions that have all contributed to its unique identity. This architectural anomaly is the brainchild of an unknown architect who dared to push the boundaries of traditional mosque design. The result is a building that is at once a shrine, a museum, and a work of art. As you wander through its labyrinthine corridors, you'll stumble upon hidden chambers, secret passageways, and enigmatic symbols that will leave you scratching your head. But the pièce de résistance, the most mind-blowing surprise of all, is the mosque's baffling connection to ancient paganism. Yes, you heard that right. This is a mosque that proudly displays pagan motifs, blending Islamic theology with pre-Islamic mythology in a way that will blow your mind. The Sahkulu Sultan Mosque is not just a place of worship, it's a window into the soul of a nation, a testament to the pluralism and the cultural exchange that have defined Turkey for centuries. In conclusion, the Sahkulu Sultan Mosque is a true marvel, a place that will challenge everything you thought you knew about mosque architecture, cultural heritage, and the complexities of human identity. This is a mosque that will make you question, make you wonder, and maybe even make you rethink your assumptions about the world around you. So what do you think? Have you ever seen a mosque like this before? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in exploring more unique places around the world, be sure to check out our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.